Welcome back to Weems Motor Co. Here we are in the mountains of Georgia at the Georgia Grundle Run. Stick around. Let's go up this mountain. Let's have a good time. Everybody, please be safe. Cheers, bears! Where you been at, sir?
I've been all around, man.
You've been following all these Harleys around. That's what it was. You got to get behind the triumphs.
The triumphs are more they don't.
Here we are, folks, hanging out in the mountains of beautiful northern Georgia. Super awesome chopper show. A lot of amazing old cool motorcycles riding through the hills of Georgia, having a great time. This is what they call the Georgia Grundle Run. What's up, everybody? Still here at the Grundle Run, hanging out with the guy who's responsible for all of this mess.
I can't take full responsibility.
I know it's a team of people, but you're the go-to guy that everybody's like, hey, what's going on? What's going on? And you are the guy who turned right when he was supposed to turn left, right?
Hey, sometimes we don't know our left from right. Sometimes we just
You're the guy to lead the ride. And he lost everybody, but you know what? What was the coolest part about that is the oldest motorcycle was the first person to the top of the hill. We did it.
I didn't say I knew where I was going. All I said was, let's go ride motorcycles.
And we did that. And we took a shower in the meantime.
Oh,
So,
yeah.
hey, thank you for inviting us out.
Thank you.
Guys, make sure you're checking out the Georgia Grundle Run. Get out here next year. It's going to be a blast.
Oh yeah, GGR8, y'all make it out next year. See you then.
Do it up. I'm gonna die! I don't know if he's gonna make it.
All right, Miles.
Looped out. I got 5 feet.
Listen, you just broke the internet, so it's official. We got it from both points of view. We're gonna see that look on your face right before you wipe. Like,
Probably me laughing. Probably me laughing.
good job, man. Hey,
Hey, good job.
awesome. You guys are having a blast here at the Grundle Run.
baby.
Always a good time.
Oh,
There's
so
just some
good.
stickers.
Nice.
You were sponsored by Weems Motor Co.
Yeah, thanks,
and
Bubba.
you won, in my opinion. You won, my friend.
I didn't even think I was gonna win anything. I just heard my number.
The guys from Easy Co hooking him up with a
Oh,
kicker
shouts
pedal.
out the Easy Boys!
Yeah.
We're coming to Georgia Grundle Run 7. Without you guys, this shit would be nothing. But we want to honor somebody that's been here since the beginning. And that's JD. JD is one of the very good brothers. We appreciate JD and everything he's done for us. We appreciate every single one of you the same. So we please hope to see you guys back next year at Grundle Run 8. Next year we're doing Run 8. So we're going to get a costume from you.
folks, wrapping up the Georgia Grundle Run on the 1950 Triumph, titled The Judge, built by Mr. Robert Young back in the 60s. It's amazing to have this motorcycle all together, riding through the Georgia mountains. Such a great time, hanging out with good friends, camping, watching wrestling, karaoke. Just, man, talk about a great weekend. Talk about a great period to the end of this bike sentence. Now, on to the next project. What will it be? Who knows? You guys know that us here at Weems Motor Co., we have so many projects going on, and all of it is always super fun, and we love having you guys ride along for all of the ride. With that, guys, riding through the mountains of Georgia, we thank you for hanging out. We're gonna wrap this one up. If you are new around here, go ahead, jump down and hit that subscribe button. If you really like the video, hit that thumbs up, turn those notifications on, and let everyone know what's going on right here at Weems Motor Co. Peace.